Even when you feel low, you can still go.
Open a Maribank savings account and get the award-winning Maribank debit card. Get up to 3% cash.
Ayan guys. So follow up lang dun sa Sprout Network update natin. Ito kumagat na yung secret boost. Hinihintay ko lang matapos yung ad. And itong time and motion na to na ginagawa natin as of the date and time ng recording na to, ito yung proof natin na working and talagang gumagana yung secret boost, okay, ng Sprout Network mining app. Okay, so remember na bago mo mapagana or bago mag-appear itong secret boost dito sa Sprout Network app, kailangan mo munang gamitin lahat yung 7 na boost daily in 24 hours, and then pwede mo nang i-maximize yung secret boost. Okay, ayan. So makikita natin from 4.2, around 4.2 yun kanina, kita nyo guys, naging 4.62. So ang laki ng itinaas compared doon sa nauna kanina. So every 1 hour guys, so pwede mo siyang gamitin. So most likely ito yung secret ng iba. Most likely ito nga yung secret nitong mga kagaya ni Mighty Crypto, kung bakit umabot ng 585,974 yung Sprout niya. Siya yung number 1 dito sa global ranking sa leaderboard ng Sprout Network. Okay? So, good to know yan. And always remember to check yung security circle ninyo kung lahat ng members ninyo ay active para ma-maximize ninyo yung pwede nyong ma-accumulate or ma-mine na Sprout Network token. And then always remember to ping yung mga nasa team members ninyo. And kung wala ka pang Sprout Network, feel free to use yung ating invite code, that's CryptoBayanihan 0612. Okay, again, that's CryptoBayanihan 0612 for our Sprout Network mining app invitation code. And disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets: the content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Thank you.